Prophet Benard mentioned in this book top altcoins that every trader needs to hold long term. And let's dive into the technicals and projects on the Trader Nation channel. Number one is basic attention token. Number two is Stellar Lumens. Number three is Ripple. Number four is Cardano. Number five is Ethereum. Most especially, we are going to look into Ethereum and basic attention token because these are coins that we barely even talk about on this particular channel. Now, make sure you join my Telegram for daily trading updates. On there, people are testifying in my DMs, so join. Let's quickly dive into this. Let's go. So, Prophet Benard released his top 5, altcoins to hold long term, and I already shared this video, or we'll share this video on the Zoe podcast. But this one is we looking into the projects, the technicals, and possible price points of these coins that Prophet have listed. And mind you, amongst all of the lists that I have here, XLM is here, XRP. We have first one, basic attention token, Stellar Lumens, which is XLM, Ripple, which is XRP, and then Cardano, that is ADA, and then we have Ethereum. Now, I would cancel out Cardano, Ripple, and XLM from off my project analysis and also technical analysis and then possible price point, because I've already talked about these 3 coins on the channel already. And so if you want to look into those ones, go and check the videos and you'll see them. So in this regard, I'll talk about Ethereum, which is the number 5 or the 5th coin on the list, and then number 1 coin is basic attention token. So let's quickly head into basic attention token, and then we'll talk about Ethereum. We'll just do these 2, and then we are done. But the list of 5, it includes what XLM, XRP, and ADA for your information. Now let's go into basic attention token. Now when you come here, this is basic attention token. Currently, we have 331,000 people adding this token to their watch list, and they are watching it. The price is $0.16 dollars, which is not even up to half $1, and the market capital is $248 million dollars. And I think it makes sense. The market cap makes a lot of sense. But let's check the total supply and all of that. The volume is 39 million. So in the last 24 hours, money that has been injected or ejected out of this market on this particular coin is $39 million. And then the total supply is 1.5 billion. And I think the total supply is so nice. It's okay. It's okay. 1.5 billion is okay. 1.5 billion is so much okay. And I think I'll add this coin to my watch list myself and be watching it. Then websites, when you click here, you go to their website. When you click here on a white paper, you know everything about this coin. You read and know everything about this coin. This is their social media handles. X is there. Facebook is even there. Then contracts. So this particular coin, basic attention token, has been created on the Ethereum blockchain. So when you want to swap, you need Ethereum to swap this on MetaMask or Trust Wallet. So we have Trust Wallet here, MetaMask there, and maybe some other few wallets, I don't know. Then let's check the high and low of this coin. The all-time low of this coin is 0.06. The all-time high is 1.92 dollars. Now the current price is 0.16. I think it's a discounted price, a fair price to get it, and the price has been lying flat for a long time now, has been ranging or consolidating for a very long time now, and so I think it's a good thing. Let's look about this coin. So I'll read a few lines. So basic attention token, or BAT, is a token that powers a new blockchain-based digital advertising platform designed to fairly reward users for their attention while providing advertisers with a better return on their ad spend. I think this this particular coin will do well in the future because um, of the project that I'm reading about right now. You know, companies run ads. Myself, I run ads sometimes on not the ads that you see in my YouTube, no, paid ad. I mean paid ad on Google ads, da 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 da. You know, Facebook ads is also there. These are the two big advertisement platforms. Google ads number one, Facebook ads number two. Yeah. So, you know, if they are saying that this particular blockchain or this particular technology is developed for you to provide advertisers with a better return on their ad spend, then I think it's a nice thing. To learn more about this project, check out Deep Dive of Basic Attention Token. This experience is delivered through the Brave browser, where users can watch privacy-preserving adverts and receive BAT rewards for doing so. On the other hand, advertisers can deliver targeted ads to maximize engagement and cut down losses due to ad fraud and abuse. So you can see they are now outlining challenges that advertisers face and they are giving solutions to that effect. You understand? So this is what the project is about. You can read further on your own without wasting much time. I would like us to rather, jump on the chart of BAT. So when we come to trading view, when you come to trading view, we just come to the weekly time frame and look for BAT. I think my trades have it taken out. Let's do this on BM Binance. So that's it, BAT. Okay. So the price is laying low. The price is laying low. You could see that launched around here. The price is now here. So it's almost at the same price at which it was launched. You get it? So all-time high is lying somewhere here. Let me show you the potential of the coin. The potential of this coin, that is the possible price point if it rises during the bull run. So the potential of this coin is around $20, $23 thereabout. That's the potential of this coin. In the bull runs ahead. Okay, in the bull runs ahead, that's the potential of this coin. Currently, the market is lying flat. You could see here that the market is lying flat here. It's just going up and down in the same spot for the most part. And then enough accumulation. Now, Bitcoin is coming down. So I said that to my group, my Telegram channel, and I told them that this week is likely that Bitcoin goes down, and that's what we are seeing already. So that's the importance of being part of the Telegram channel, because I didn't say that on YouTube. I said that on the Telegram channel. And so this coin will dance around before maybe moving back up. So you can take advantage and apply the DCA strategy on this coin. Now, so let's look into the next coin that I would like to look into, which is Ethereum. So the coin that we just left has been built on the coin that we are now arriving on. So BAT has been, that is basic attention token, has been built on the Ethereum blockchain, and now we are on the Ethereum coin. So Ethereum is currently $3,051.27. The market capital is around 368 billion. The volume within 24 hours is $50 billion. Wow, beautiful. Then the total supply is 120.69 million Ethereum. It's not even up to 200 million. And so hence the value we are seeing right now. So I think that is cool. That is very cool. I don't think they should ban any other coins. When they ban it, it will be crazy. And then the official website, you can visit here. White paper, you can read more about the coin here. Everything about the coin. Then their socials, Twitter handle or X, you can see it there. Then contracts. So Ethereum has also been built on a BNB blockchain. You can have that contract here. Go to MetaMask Trust Wallet. You can swap Ethereum on that platform, but you can also buy Ethereum and hold on the centralized exchanges. You understand? So that like Binance and then Bybit, you can get it there. Okay, now the all-time low of this coin is 0.4. Oh God! Just imagine you've had this. Just imagine you've had these like from that price point, like 0.4. That is why we are telling you guys to be holding your coins. And I'll do a critical example on the chart of Ethereum for you guys to see. This is like a master class, but then I'll limit some of the information. You see, all-time high is $4,953, almost $5,000. But it started from where? 0.42. That was nothing. Absolutely nothing. And now here we are. Even the current price is even so crazy. You understand me? So those of you who are asking, oh, the coin is coming down. The coin that I just bought is coming down. Baby, relax. It happens, It happens. And I would like us to even look into the chart first before maybe I come and look into the project. Ethereum USD on crypto weekly time frame. You see what is happening here? I tell you for a fact that it is going to end somewhere here, or in the worst case scenario, it's going to end here. And if it breaks above this second zone that I have created here, then we know that we should expect way worse. And way worse, I don't think it's gonna happen. Like way worse, like this thing crashing to nothing. I'm not expecting that, honestly. I'm not expecting that, honestly. So don't worry. I still remember I wanted to show you something, but for now, this is what I want you to see. So I think the worst case scenario is this dropping here before any move upside. You see, the bull run that you guys are looking for will never happen until these things happen. And that's what most people disagree with. Before you can jump higher, you need to go down. Before a plane can take off and start going into the air. How do they call that? I've forgotten the English word for that. Before you can go higher and fly at a higher altitude, it needs to be on a runway for some minutes, and it will just be running there for a time before boom, take off. That is how the market works, if you don't know. So the market needs to go down, relax on the ground for a while before it takes off, boom. The market doesn't go up like a straight line. So those who understand technical analysis know that people are talking about bull run just anyhow. They are just making noise, They are just making noise. That is why I always say when the bull run kicks in, I don't say the bull run is going to happen this year or this month or that month. When the bull run kicks in, when the bull run is approaching, I'll tell you. People will not agree, but that's one. So bull runs are different from alt seasons. Sometimes when the market is a bit stable, we can see some altcoins sparking up. boom, 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 just like that, making like 1,000%, da 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 da. But when the market is literally down, you barely see that. When the market is like absolutely down, it's only maybe 1, 2, 3 of some of the altcoins that will be making 100%, 20% here and there. But generally, the market is freaking down. That's it. There's nothing can be done about it. So so it's two instances I give you. When the market is down, you barely see any alt season. When the market is stable, not down, but stable, that is where you can maybe see alt coins pumping and doing that. Meanwhile, some of the big coins are stable. They are not really doing any magic. When the market is up there, that is the bull run, everything is up. That one you can see crazy things happening to altcoins and crazy things happening to the big coins. As simple as ABC. Now let me show you something. This coin started off at the price point that I showed you. Their ICO was around 0.4 something, which is where my current cross Keza is right now. Now, after they released the coin, it came down from the price point, came down a bit, went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, and here we are today. So what do I want to tell you guys? What I want to tell you is that, look, the market doesn't move like a straight line, you know. It doesn't move like that. The market has to, first of all, go up, come down, go up, come down. You get what I mean to say? So all of these things that we are seeing on some of the coins like XLM, XRP, brings XPIN going down. I mean, when XPIN hits 0.01, it was we call something psychological levels. Those of you who have subscribed to my master class and all of that, you understand what I'm saying. Psychological, it's a psychological level. I know there will be definitely a reaction up there. So I took some profits, you know. I took some profit. And even if you are a master of technical analysis, you can take profit and wait for the price to come down and put that same profit into it again at an affordable price. That is if you bought it at a price that is not quite affordable or a price that is quite high. I'm giving you guys some insights, you know. Those who will listen will listen. So the market will definitely crash and go up, crash and go up, crash and go up. And that is something that we should be expecting. And I don't think the market should crash below this zone in general. If the market crashes below this zone, it will be very catastrophic for Ethereum. But if it comes and dances around here and goes up, that's it. Beautiful. So that's it. Let's look at the other coins. These coins, Cardano, Ripple, Stellar, you can go check it out. You can go check it out. You can go check it out on the channel. Let me give you the price point of Ethereum and then I call it done. So somebody will say, why do I always draw this rectangle? It's a trick. It's a trick that I use to make my work easy by not using some tools. So if Ethereum is going to give us twice of this consolidation, then we are going to see the price honestly at 25,000 range. Yes, 25,000 range, 25,000 range, 25,000 range. So that's it. Price point of Ethereum 25,000. Price point for the coin I did BAT, it should be around 23 or something dollars. I don't know. I'll check it out. Let's go. Make sure you subscribe, share, like this video. 2025 market crash has come to an end and you've heard it here first. Trump tariffs have caused an uncertainty on the market. This is the right time for investors to jump in. Now, XPX, that is XMP 500, dropped 21%. NAS 100 dropped 27%. UK 100 dropped 16%. US 30, best 30 performing companies, right, in the United States dropped 20%. BTC, I predicted, is going to hit 75K. It even dropped to 74,000 and some few pennies there, right? Now, this is the time. The elites have taken profit. The market has gone down during uncertainty with Trump tariffs. This is a time that we have set into an accumulation phase. You want to invest into the Forex market, the synthetic, space. You want to invest into the crypto market. You want to do Forex. You want to do stocks. You don't know how to do it. Join the Financial Market Masterclass with Trader Nixon, and I'll show you how to do it like a pro.